Today we are going to do something really awesome that's going to change your life in your house if you are living with really crummy doorknobs. One of the things that I wanted to really do was take the 90s gold, because we bought a house that was born in the 90s and needs a lot of love, but that's kind of what makes it fun. So it's gold everywhere. They look like this. And if you can imagine that in the entire house, it's just, I can't. So I am going to change them all to aged bronze, really pretty. And I thought I would just buy them and get it over with. Well, I can't find them for any less than $15, all the way up to $30 a set. And I have 18 sets in my house. So I chose to do them myself, and 20 bucks was all it takes to do 18 sets of doorknobs. So if you've got 20 bucks, you're gonna get every doorknob done in your house, and it's so easy. So let's get started and let's game changer your luck.
First, get a screwdriver and gather your knobs and hardware. Let's get sanding. I'm using 220 grit sand block, and you don't have to go crazy. You want to scuff your piece so paint sticks. This will knock down any imperfections and oxidations if you have any on your pieces. Next, wipe down with a clean cloth to remove any dust nibs, and then pop your handle into the box to stabilize. And don't forget about your hardware too. You want to do the same things to your hardware that you're doing to your doorknobs. Next, grab your primer and spray your pieces completely. I'm using Rust-Oleum 2-time Ultra Cover in black, so the bronze will be richer with no gold shining through, but you can use the color that best matches your finish. So for instance, if you're doing a nickel finish, you can use a white primer. I'm going to do the rest of my knobs and hardware. Be sure to let them dry for several hours. Be sure to keep your knobs together. I stage mine side by side so that I don't have to worry about it later. Now that they're dry, the next step is steel wool. I'm using steel wool number 00, which will finally knock off any imperfections in your primer and smooth your piece for paint. This step gives your knobs a long-lasting finish. Be sure to wipe down with a clean cloth to remove all dust nibs. Next, we'll spray the first coat with the finishing color. I'm using Rust-Oleum Metallic in aged bronze. Be sure to spray each piece completely, covering all nooks and crannies. And you want to use a right to left and left to right motion to keep the paint flowing smoothly and avoid drips. Once you're done, let that dry several hours and then follow up with a second coat the exact same way. And let that dry several hours as well. What a difference! Reminder that you'll be doing, again, the same steps to your hardware, so be sure to do everything simultaneously and let everything dry for several hours in between coats. Once dry, you're ready for your final protective coat. I'm using Rust-Oleum 2-Time Ultra Cover in matte clear. Just give everything a once-over spray, and you only need one coat of this. How gorgeous are they?